Good morning, respected principal sir and my dear friends. Today I'm here to teach to the students of class 9 and I'm going to teach science and my name is Parveen Sultana. Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good, right? Okay. So, before we start the day's lesson, I'm going to ask few things to you. Are you all ready? Yes. Okay. Now, tell me, what do you do when you are thirsty? Okay, you all drink water? We all drink water, right? Very good. All right. Then, what happened to the water when you keep this water in a refrigerator? Yes, the water change into ice, right? Yes, very good, very good. So, the state of water changing into ice is called what? Anybody? Is there anybody? Okay, no problem. All right. So, my dear students, today we are going to learn about matters in our surrounding. Matters in our surrounding and states of matters. Okay. So this is our topic, matter in our surrounding. Now, try to look at your surrounding inside the classroom as well as outside the classroom. Can you name some things that you can see? Yes, very good. Hmm. Okay, you can see table, chair, duster, okay, trees outside, okay, whiteboard. Very good, very good. Now, listen to me very attentively, all right? Okay, so anything that occupies space, anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Let me write down here, you can note down the definition. Yes. So this is the definition of matter. Anything that occupies space and has some mass is called matter. Now, try to look. This is a Rubik cube, right? If I want to place this here on my hand, right? I will place it like this. So it is occupying some space, right? And you can see this duster. If I want to place here, it has occupied space. There is no other space left on my hand, right? This is called occupying space, all right? Now, you can see this whiteboard, right? This has occupied some space on this wall, all right? So, this way we can say that whatever exists in our universe, whatever exists, maybe plant, okay, animals, chair, table, any materialistic things exist in our universe has some mass, okay. If they don't have any mass, that means they don't exist, all right. So for example, if we talk about the brightness coming out from this tube light, the electric wire passing through the wires, and the warmth that you feel when you hold a hot cup of coffee, the sound which you are hearing right now, I'm talking to you, right? And you can hear me, yes or no? Yes. So this sound, these things do not have any mass. Even though we can see them, we can feel them, but they don't have any mass. So we can say that these things are not matter, okay? Almost everything that exists in universe are matter, but not everything. Remember this. For now, you just know that the brightness, the sound, okay, the electricity, these are not matters, and we will learn about this in higher classes. For now, you just know up to here. Now let us come to the topic again. Okay, Adil, can you define matter in your own words? Yes. Okay, well, correct answer. Now, Rijwan, can you help Adil with some example? Chalk, duster, yes, whiteboard, table. Okay, very good. Now I think you all have understood this topic matter. All right. Now let us proceed. So if we talk about matter, okay, and the states of matter, there are three states of matter. How many? Three. Yes. Number one is solid. Okay. Number two is liquid, and number third is gas. Okay. Let me write here. Alright. So, these are the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Alright, these are the physical properties of matter. Physical properties. Remember this. Now, if we talk about solid, okay, this is a solid. You can see this. Okay, it can occupy space. That means this is an example of solid. Okay, now we talk about liquid. You can see this glass. This glass is empty now, right? But I'm going to fill this glass with some water into this. Okay, you can see. All right, so this is a liquid. Example of liquid is it is moving inside the glass. You can see. All right, now if we talk about gas, this balloon is filled with gas inside this, okay, air inside this. So this is gas, example of gas. All right. Now, there are some properties. You can look into this chart. These different states have different properties. These are the properties, some of the properties: shape, volume, rigidity, compressibility, intermolecular space, and intermolecular force of attraction, okay, between these three: solid, liquid, and gas. If we talk about solid, it has a definite shape, okay, but in liquid there is no definite shape. Okay, solid, this has a definite shape. All right, but in liquid it occupies the space of a container. Okay, and in gas it does not have any definite shape. Okay, it also occupies the space of a container. Now if we talk about volume, solid has definite volume, okay, but liquid also has definite volume. All right, it has a definite volume, and gas also has definite volume. All right, if we talk about rigidity, the solid is very hard. We cannot mold it or bend it. Okay, this is very hard. All right, so the rigidity of solid is very rigid. All right, now if we talk about the rigidity of liquid, this is less rigid as compared to solid. All right, now if we talk about the gas, there is no rigidity at all. Okay, you can press this and you can see the change in shape if you press it. So there is no any rigidity. All right, then the solid is incompressible. You cannot make this small and put it somewhere else. Okay, it will be the way it is. And in liquid there is the compressibility is little bit low, okay, as compared to gas. And gas is highly compressible. Okay, gas is highly compressible. All right, so for example, liquid petroleum gas which you use for cooking is highly compressible. Okay, highly compressible. So now I have an activity for you. So that you can do it as a homework. Take two balloons, fill one balloons with air, and then try to see the changes and note it down and bring it tomorrow. Till that, you take care. See you in the next class. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you, Parveen. That was very good. Uh, do we have anyone wants to say to comment? One or two only.
Yes, sir.
One
Can I
or two.
say something?
One or two can comment on how Praveen's teaching was, and then I will say something, and then we can move on. Anyone wants to comment something? Okay, you can always use the chat box or or even unmute yourself. Anyone? Okay, as the comments come, let's have Praveen. Can you show me a little bit closer view about your chart?
Yes, sir. Actually, I want to say something, sir. The lesson presentation was going on for 15 minutes before this, okay? So I prepared it for 15 minutes actually, sir, and I have to bind up up to 10 minutes, so it was little bit difficult for me, and I'm sorry for that.
Now I want to see your
Yes, sir.
teaching aid. Yes. Yes, your chart. Your chart. Yes.
I will show you. One second, sir. This is my chart, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Little bit from a distance. Matter in our surrounding. Okay.
Yes.
Matter in our surrounding. Okay. Okay. So thank you. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So you seem to be in your classroom itself.
No, sir. Actually, this is my tuition center, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Yes.
So it's a very good, very good presentation, I'd say. Very apt topic because in that app, because you're talking about matters and the different states of matters, it seems a very good topic. And I see that you use a lot of teaching aids and demonstration. You give a lot of examples, which was very important.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the art of questioning was very good. Okay. That you even had a pointer there.
Yes.
And also I see that you had asked different types of questions which
Yes,
are very important. But one thing I want to ask you,
Yes,
suppose
sir.
you ask one question and that student could not answer,
Yes.
how would you go about?
Okay, I will ask the other student so that he can answer, and that student will learn from that another student.
Okay, very good, very good. Because that is known as redirection.
Yes.
That is in technical terms.
Yes.
And I think that is a very good way of approaching.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I feel that you did a good job, and you should continue doing this thing in every class which you teach. Today
Sure,
is
sir.
just a class that we are virtual, okay?
Yes,
But
sir.
so what I feel that in every class, not only in this class because we are there,
Yes, sir.
yeah, but I encourage you to use more of teaching it.
Sure, sir.
We have to develop the quality of our education, and I think this is one way ahead in making the quality education in our country.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will next will proceed to the second person.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your kind suggestion and valuable time.
Yes, thank you. So next person will go to Pale Shisha.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm here.
Yes.
Right. My name is Palesha Nyota, and my enrollment number is 1006-27645. And I am going to teach on a subject, economics of class 10. Good morning, students. Today I am going to start on a new topic. And before I start my new topic, let me ask you a few